Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you guys are here. Today I'm going to be sitting down and sharing my September beauty favorites with you guys. There have been a few select products that I've been using this month and I've just been obsessed with them. They've been my go-to products and these products actually worked. I actually genuinely love these products. They help me achieve a effortlessly flawless makeup look, if that makes sense. So there's not products that you have to take a lot of time working with. They just kind of do the work for you. So if you guys are ready to get into it, let's go ahead and go because I'm really excited to talk about some makeup. Okay, we're gonna start off with primer. A primer that I have been absolutely 100% obsessed with is the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. This retails for $14.95 and I love this primer so much. As a person that has combo skin, but more so to the dry side, I love dewy skin. I love how it makes the skin look. I love how it makes my skin look. I love how it just makes you look so youthful, so fresh-faced, and I love a glowy face. What can I say? This product definitely helps me achieve that. So before I put on my foundation, obviously you need to prime. So this is usually what I will go in with. I usually do like to pair it with another primer. I like this primer mainly to give my foundation that dewy satin finish. I wouldn't say that this is terrific at keeping your foundation on throughout the day. It's definitely one of those things where it just makes your skin look really beautiful. It gives you a very nice, soft, glowy finish without making you look like a grease ball. There's that line you don't want to cross where you look dewy or you can appear oily and greasy, and it's just not that cute. So this definitely does not cross the line as far as making you look really greasy. I love it. If you love dewy skin, I think you're gonna love it too. So my favorite foundation of the month has been the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream Foundation. So it retails for $38. It actually did win a Best of Allure 2017 award. So this foundation gives beautiful coverage. So with your first layer, you're probably going to get medium coverage and it is buildable so you can achieve full coverage. What I really like about it is that you don't feel like you're wearing a full coverage foundation. It's something that is super lightweight and doesn't feel too heavy on the face. That's something that I hate is when foundations feel so heavy that it's like, it's terrible to wear and you're ready to get your makeup off. I would say that this has more of a satin to matte finish. It's definitely not going to give you a super dewy look, but you're going to get a hybrid between a matte and satin. It's just so beautiful on the skin and it just makes your skin look perfect. I feel it's definitely one of those foundations that's like your skin but better. Oh my gosh, it is actually called Your Skin But Better. Wow. And I just feel like if you wear foundation on a daily basis, you're gonna need this just because of how lightweight it feels and how great it makes your skin look. So go get this, you need it. Concealer. I've had a concealer I've been using so very much and it's only 10 bucks. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I am using the shade Ivory. I love this concealer. So it is about a medium to full coverage concealer. I usually build it up to full coverage. I love this concealer because it is so lightweight, but it provides amazing coverage. It's a beautiful concealer that's gonna give you coverage, but it's not going to make you look cakey, and it doesn't feel heavy either, which I feel like you just get the best of both worlds. It lasts for a super long time too, and it doesn't ever get dry underneath the eyes. It doesn't ever crease, and the $9.99 price does not hurt whatsoever. So a good concealer for a good price. What you doing with your life? Butter bronzer. Oh my gosh. I love me some butter bronzer. Go get you some of it. Go head to Ulta, head to Walgreens, head to CVS because you need this bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Muru Infused Butter Bronzer. If you have not heard of this yet, you're hearing about it now. This is a fantastic butter bronzer. This is a fantastic bronzer from Physicians Formula. Retails for $14.99. I got the shade Light Bronzer. I'd say 40% of the reason why I like this product is the smell. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I really love this bronzer. What's cool is that you can use this as a bronzer and a contour shade, just kind of depends on how much you build it up. But this is a beautiful bronzer. It blends out so well, and for my fair skin, it can be a struggle to find a good bronzer shade for my fair skin. So this is the perfect shade. It blends out beautifully and does not ever get muddy. It's also a good hybrid between like a cool tone and a warm tone shade. So, you know, if you ever go too cool tone with your bronzer, you can kind of look like a zombie and it just ain't cute. But if you get too much on the warm tone side, you can kind of get that Oompa Loompa vibe, which ain't cute either. So you get the best of both worlds, and the price isn't bad. You would probably spend maybe $15 more if you purchased a high-end bronzer, but this, you save a little bit of money, and it's just, that bug, get away. Go get it. Enough said. I feel like one of my monthly favorite videos wouldn't be complete without a highlighter because I'm always using highlighters. So the one that I wanted to share that I've been using nonstop is from MAC. It's the Extra Dimension Skin Finish, and this is in the shade Double Gleam. Highlighters can also be sometimes a little troublesome to purchase just because of my fair skin. It's either too warm tone or too ashy, like too silvery, you know, and this is just a good in between. It has a nice cool tone finish to it, but also has a little bit of a nude undertone glow to it. My cheekbones are just always popping, and I just love to put this all over my face to give like an extra glow. So cheekbones, obviously. I have it on my inner corners of the eyes. I have it on Cupid's bow, the chin, and the nose. I do go a little bit crazy, but I just love this highlighter so much. So it has like this soft gold tone to it, but also is a little bit silvery. I'll do a close-up. I don't think you guys can really see on camera, but it's really pretty and it blends out very well. It lasts a while on the skin, and your highlights are, and your cheekbones will be popping every time you wear it. So what else could you want from a highlighter? Okay, lashes, and then we are done. So these lashes are from Kiss. They're the Easy Lashes and number 11. I think that these only come in like the multiple lash pack, I don't know what you call it, but this came with 5 pairs, and I love these lashes. I'm wearing them now. What I really like about it, I've been wearing lashes almost on a daily basis lately, and these are lashes that are really pretty on the eyes, and they don't block off the eyes. They don't, you know, cover up the eyes so much you're like, where are your eyelids? Are you even wearing eyeshadow? I feel like they just give you lashes that, you know, could be totally your own lashes, but they're really not. So, I mean, you can see from the side that they are definitely very curly, but they're not like, dang, those are obviously false lashes, you know? Not too much out there where people are looking at you like, dang, she went there. So, I really like these, especially if I've been wearing them on an everyday basis and like to keep the focus on the eyeshadow, but I can't really wear, I don't know, I don't have the greatest lashes anyways. They're thick, but they're short, so I just need something that's gonna lengthen and not so much volumize, and these are just perfect for that. And that's about it. That's all the products that I have to share. I try not to pick products that I just like, but products that I really, really like. Just so I can give you guys products that are really working, and I'm not just throwing products out there that I like, but products that I really like and that I've been using like crazy. So I do hope that you got some good product recommendations out of this. I always love watching favorites videos just because you get a lot of good recommendations out of it, and I'm always looking for new makeup to try out, so you know. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave so you don't miss out on any of my future videos I be uploading. Make sure that you follow me on social media as well. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will have them on both corners of the screen above and in the description box below for you guys, so make sure you follow me there. I post lots of pictures. Anything makeup related, it's on my channel. Anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Jesus loves you so, so much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.